Hello there, let's do lesson 136. So today we've got plotting points on the coordinate grid. This guy over here is the coordinate grid. And the coordinate grid is going to come up a lot as you go on in school. So we've got 0 through 10 this way, and later on they will explain to you that this is the x-axis. And we've got 0 through 10 going this way, and this is the y-axis. And when they talk about these points, this first one is always, I'll use the right color. This first one is always x, and the second one is y. And x is always going horizontally, and y is always going vertically. So 9, 2 means the first one is x. So x is down here. So for x, we are going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we've got y, which is 2, we're going up 2. So over 9, up 2. This is 9, 2. Over 9, up 2. And they want us to call that point W. Okay, R is 3, 8. We always go over first. 1, 2, 3. And then we are going up 8, all the way up here to 8. Here you go, that's 3, 8. And it is point R. And the last one, 0, 10, which means nothing on the x. We're stopping right here, and we're just going straight up to 10. So way up here is 0, 10, and that is point S. So the coordinate grid, the first one's always over, the second one's always up. Number 2, 20 and 50 hundredths. I'm going to rewrite that over here. 20 and 50 hundredths. We are subtracting 3 and 51 hundredths. The key with adding and subtracting decimals is make sure the decimals are lined up so that we have all our place values in the same spot, and then we just subtract like usual. So it looks like we've got 16 and 99 hundredths. 7,156 divided by 3. Let's see, we'll squeeze that in right here. 7,156 divided by 3. Let me see, it's 2,000 times 3 would be 6,000. Get rid of a whole lot of this. Let me see, I can't quite get up to 1,200. 3 times 400 would be 1,200, but that's not going to work. How about 300? 3 times 300 is 900. 256. Let me see, how about 80? 3 times 80 is 240. And I've only got 16 left. 3 times 5 is 15. One last one, so it looks like 2,385. 2,385. Remainder 1. Or, of course, I can also write that as 2,385 with 1 left over that we are still trying to divide by 3. So 2,385 and 1/3. Okay, the symbol that correctly completes the comparison. We've got zeros in both, but then we've got 3 tenths, which is more than 1/10, so this one has to be more. Here we've got a bunch of adding, and again, the key is to just make sure that the decimal gets lined up. And 13, the decimal is there. So we've got 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and place that decimal. 21 and 90 hundredths. You could also leave that off and say 21 and 9 tenths. Okay, 3,000. We're doing 5 times 3,000. 114. Let's see, 5 times 3,000 is 15,000. 550 and 20. So 15,570. 15,570. Well, there you go. There's lesson 136.